So this is the converter adapter that allows you to use a Parkside battery on a Makita tool, and the connectors are quite different, which is why you need some physical device that adapts between the two connections. Now, unfortunately, the Makita tool does not include battery protection, but it is possible to buy a circuit which could possibly fit into the handle of the tool, and that would then provide protection from the battery of overheating or exhausting itself to a point where it loses its health. But is it possible to the battery connector would fit into there. I can't push it on with one hand, but I'm wondering, is there space inside this? So I just unscrewed it, and this is what we've got inside. There's a circuit board which has the connectors for the Makita tool above, and the Parkside, I don't know if you can see underneath the circuit board. It makes a connection to the Parkside connector below. So wouldn't it be wonderful if you could somehow fit and incorporate this battery management circuitry in between the connectors that are on the top and the connectors that are down below. So these in the center are the connectors for the Parkside battery, and if only you could somehow incorporate that circuitry in there, that would be marvelous.